Hello dear friends, this is a Kerala PSC JPHN or ANM previous question paper. We can discuss first 20 questions from general knowledge part. Just we can skip that portions and let us start from 21st question onwards. The systemic visual examination of the client is, correct answer is inspection. The systemic visual examination of the client is, that is inspection. That means visual examination, just watching what is happening, that is inspection. Auscultation means with the stethoscope auscultating breath sounds or abdominal sounds, that is all. Then important natural source of vitamin D. Next question. Correct answer is sunlight. Sunlight is the natural source of vitamin D. Vitamin A mostly from green leafy vegetables and vitamin C from fruits. Then next question. Weaning should be started at the age of, correct answer is 6 months. Weaning should be started at the age of 6 months. That is a complementary food along with breastfeeding, that is weaning. It's a food giving along with breastfeeding, that is weaning should start at 6 months. Next question. The basic unit of society is, correct answer is family. The basic unit of society is family. Next question. The placenta with the cord attached to the edge is called, correct answer is battledore insertion. The placenta with cord attached to the edge is called battledore insertion. Next question. Pus formation in the sockets of the teeth is, correct answer is periodontal disease. Pus formation in the sockets of the teeth is periodontal disease. Next question. Name the middle layer of the uterus. Correct answer is myometrium. Myometrium is the middle layer of the uterus. Myocardium and myocardium is related to heart. Next question. Measures taken to prevent a disease. Correct answer is prophylactic. Measure taken to prevent a disease, that is prophylactic. Prophylactic measures, when you say, that is to prevent a disease. We can use mosquito net to prevent mosquito bite. Then next question. An instrument used to examine the rectum is, correct answer is proctoscopy. An instrument used to examine the rectum is proctoscopy. Next question. Number of population allotted for an Anganwadi worker. Correct answer is 1000. Number of population allotted for an Anganwadi worker, that is 1000. Next question. Excessive production of saliva during pregnancy is, correct answer is ptyalism. Excessive production of saliva during pregnancy is ptyalism. Bruxismum, that means teeth grinding, that is bruxismum, teeth grinding. Then pica means unnatural craving of some substances. Natural craving, that means especially in pregnancy period. Next question. Wasted appearance with the old man look is typical in, correct answer is marasmus. Wasted appearance with the old man look is typical in marasmus. Next question. The angle of insertion of intradermal injection is, correct answer is 15 degree. The angle of insertion of intradermal injection is 15 degree. That is introducing to the skin only, that is intradermal. If it is intramuscular, 90 degree, and IV means 25 degree. Intravenous 25 degree. Then rule of 9 is a commonly used assessment in, correct answer is Burns. Rule of 9 is a commonly used assessment in Burns. Next question, introducing medication into the spinal cord is, correct answer is intrathecal. Introducing medication into the spinal cord is intrathecal. Next question, an outward bending of foot and ankle is termed as, correct answer is talus valgus. An outward bending of foot and ankle is termed as talus valgus. Next question, eligible couple belongs to the group of, correct answer is 15 to 44. Some question paper you can see 15 to 45, that is also correct. Eligible couple in the lady belongs to the age group of 15 to 45. Next question, pigmentation of face during pregnancy is known as, correct answer is chloasma. Chloasma is the pigmentation of face during pregnancy. That is chloasma. Linea nigra is the pregnancy line. You can see the straight line in abdomen, that is linea nigra. The next question, the outermost layer of the fetal membrane. Correct answer is chorion. The outermost layer of the fetal membrane is chorion. Next question, the period of first 6 weeks after delivery is puerperium. The period of first 6 weeks after delivery, that is called puerperium. Then simple method to evaluate the physical condition of newborn. Correct answer is Apgar score. That is a simple method to evaluate the physical condition of newborn, Apgar score, usually checking after birth 1 and 5 minutes after birth. So Apgar score invented by Virginia Apgar. Usually we checking 1 and 5 minutes. We can detect the if the child is need immediate resuscitation through checking Apgar score. Next question, washerman's hands and feet are the typical sign of, correct answer is cholera. Washerman's hands and feet are the typical sign of cholera. Next question, the causative agents of mumps. Correct answer is paramyxovirus. Causative agent of mumps is paramyxovirus. Next question, the hormone which controls the calcium metabolism. Correct answer is parathormone. The hormone which controls the calcium metabolism, that is parathormone. Next question, an unconscious way of forgetting is, correct answer is repression. Repression is the unconscious way of forgetting. Next question, color of meconium is, correct answer is dark green. Color of meconium is dark green. That is the first fecus of a newborn, that is meconium. Color of meconium is dark green. If the newborn is not passing first meconium within first 24 hours, that may be due to hairspring disease. Hairspring disease is a condition. There will be inability to pass meconium within first 24 hours. There will be chance of hairspring disease. Next question, eruption of teeth begins at, correct answer is 6 months. Eruption of teeth begins at 6 months. Next question, typhoid fever is also known as, correct answer is enteric fever. Typhoid fever is also known as enteric fever. Next question, excessive watery discharge from the nose is, correct answer is rhinitis. Excessive watery discharge from the nose is rhinitis. Next question, absence of menstrual period. Correct answer is amenorrhea. Amenorrhea is the absence of menstrual period. Anuria means absence of urination. Dysuria, difficulty in urination. Next question, taking up of cervix is termed as, correct answer is effacement. Taking up of cervix is termed as effacement. Pelvic sign of pregnancy is Option correct answer is Haggard's sign. Pelvic sign of pregnancy is Haggard's sign. Next question. Normal chest circumference at birth is. Correct answer is 31 to 33 centimeter. Normal chest circumference at birth is 31 to 33 centimeter. Normal head circumference at birth is 33 to 35 centimeter. So head circumference is bigger than chest circumference at birth. Next question. Social smile achieved by the infant at. Correct answer is 2 months. Social smile achieved by the infant at 2 months. Next question. Involuntary passage of stool in children. Correct answer is engopresis. Involuntary passage of stool in children, engopresis. Next question. Endometrium during pregnancy is termed as. Correct answer is decidua. Endometrium during pregnancy is termed as decidua. Next question. A week before and after the menstruation is considered as. Correct answer is safe period. A week before and after the menstruation is considered as safe period. Next question. Visible retraction ring is called. Correct answer is Bandl's ring. Visible retraction ring is called Bandl's ring. Next question. Saraftalmia is caused by the deficiency of. Correct answer is vitamin A. Saraftalmia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Next question. Dash is false perception. Correct answer is illusion. Illusion is a false perception. Illusion is a false perception. So that's all for about today's video. We discussed 40 questions. Next 40 questions we can watch in next video. Please watch the playlist of NurseQueen YouTube channel. JPHN you can see the what you want to study in examination. All it is given in playlist of NurseQueen YouTube channel JPHN, and the name it is there. You can search, and whatever portions you can cover all the portion you need to pass the examination. Please check JPHN playlist. So please share this video to your friends, and please consider subscribing. Thank you.